Come gather round people wherever you are, and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accept it that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to you is worth saving, then you better start swimming or you'll sink like a stone, for the times they are a-changing. Come writers and critics who prophesize with your pen, and keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel's still in spin, and there's no telling who that it's naming, for the loser now or later to win, for the times they are a-changing. On senators, congressmen, please heed the call. Don't stand in the doorway, don't block up the hall, for it's he that gets hurt will be he who has stalled. There's a battle outside and it's raging, it'll soon shake your windows and rattle your walls, for the times they are a-changing. Come mothers and fathers throughout the land, and don't criticize what you don't understand. Your sons and your daughters are beyond your command. Your old road is rapidly aging, please get off the new one if you can lend a hand, for the times they are a-changing. The line it is drawn and the curves it is cast, the slow one now will later be fast, at the present now will later be past. The order is rapidly fading, and the first one now will later be last, for the times they are a-changing. Come gather round people wherever you are, and admit that the waters around you have grown, and accept it that soon you'll be drenched to the bone. If your time to you is worth saving, then you better